Good morning, y'all. What is up? It's a little chillier this morning, but the sun is shining, and we're here at the junkyard because black TSX appeared a couple days ago, like 2 days before my birthday. And yeah, I haven't had a chance to come check it out. Hopefully we could get these body panels, man, especially the front end. I'm like really hoping no one took it yet. Y'all hear that? Your boy's still under the weather. We're under the weather. So I got quarter body and some. We're gonna find this one TSX and hopefully it has everything we need. We need the whole front end.
Let's go see.
Fenders, hood, fucking bumper. We'll go see. The chrome trimming itself costs like $100. It's like ridiculous.
All right, go.
Damn, y'all. A little disappointing, not gonna lie. First thing first, someone obviously took the headlights and stuff, and then noticed the bumper was off, and then closely looking, there's holes all over drilled into it, tabs are broken. Well, this side's completely ripped off, no wonder why they did that. And there's a hole right here, so yeah, that thing's fucked. Came over here and took out the cams. That makes sense. Yeah, it actually looked like a nice motor. Looked pretty decent, but someone took off the cams already.
Oh my god.
Dude, it smells like fucking bunko.
You want to hold this?
And then I seen the side skirt, because you guys seen it in the last, junkyard run. But in that video, we picked up a side skirt. It was that side, but this side's tabs are all. Well, not all of them. Right there. This is snapped in half. Right there. It's like I could plastic weld it, but I also don't want to spend the money and then have to do all that. It was flooded.
This inside is moldy as fuck.
Yeah. Yeah, bro, this is a disappointing one. It looked a lot nicer and cleaner in the pics. I want that wood grain trimming right here. I'm gonna still take that. Maybe these, well, how's this hood? Is this hood black? I can tell. I could take this hood. This grill is not terrible. I don't know. Tabs are broken a bit. Yeah, I'm not gonna
waste money.
I don't want to waste my money on shit that's fucking like all trashed and broken. Yeah, the tab stuff can maybe be plastic welded and stuff. I don't want to deal with that, y'all. I don't feel like I already got too much shit going on. We're add on this little fucking jobs and it takes forever. And I want to see how this goes.
Somebody's smash.
I don't know how to take these out fully without. Like, look at that, already chipped. Well, it's like these trimmings are like impossible to get off without fucking up. That's so unfortunate right there, y'all. There's a couple of things I wanted on this thing, but obviously not now, because if it's broken, dented. Y'all, it smells like 3 different types of assholes out here, bro. It's like crazy. I was on my way to the junkyard for a hood. That's why I was riding around hoodless. The family in the red Tesla next to me were walking by. The kid was like, "Who's driving around like that? Wow, that's crazy. What the hell?" And I couldn't help to smile and laugh when the kid said that, because you just will never experience that, kid. At least not yet, man. Dad got you hopping in that Tesla, so feel bad. You don't understand the power of this raw K series, man. So I can pick up the hood. Right now we're driving hoodless. My check engine light turned on the highway. Didn't record that because there's no space on the GoPro. Oh, look, a nice black TSX. Oh, let me compliment it. Hey man, I like your car. Oh, thanks.
You got those screws with you?
Yeah. Oh yeah, baby. Hang up.
They look gray, but it's because it's dirty in here.
What's up, y'all? We're dealing with a check engine light on the daily that randomly popped up after the whole hoodless situation in TSX in the highway. Just randomly came out of nowhere. P1157, some of the air fuel ratio too high readings and stuff, and it talks about O2 sensors, exhaust leaks, catalytic converter, and I have all of those. I mean, I never replaced the O2 sensor here, so it could be bad. I mean, I'm just gonna undo it and see how bad it is, and I think we have some spares that my boo found, so we'll go from there. The daily's the daily, we're more focused on that, but we're doing little things on here, and I'm still dealing with some leaking issues from, I don't know if it's the oil pressure sensor, that area, the VTEC solenoid. I just did that seal and everything's tight, so I don't know if it's coming from that, because it's like on there in that bottom bolt. Could be flopping around with the axle falling down there and just like, you know, smacking up back over there, and could be from the pressure sensor. I'm not exactly sure, but I'm clean it up and then keep filling up oil. Looks like I need a new O2 sensor. Look at this, y'all. This thing looks pretty cooked, and it was a hassle to get off, y'all. So tried using my big adjustable, that ain't worked. It kind of kept slipping, and it came in with the 1/2-inch ratchet and the socket that slips over the O2 sensor. That shit ain't work, it was just slipping. And it came in with the big boy 22, and that thing busted right off with some PP blaster. But I think we might have to just swap O2 sensors. I don't know if cleaning it is gonna help. This thing look kind of overdue. Same-ish. Shame-ish.
Okay, what is that?
Damn, we living in fucking ghettos.
It's just like CT.
Yeah, good old home. That's what people would say, because I live right next to the highway, and literally every night there were sirens a couple times a night, and they're like, damn, motherfucker, where do you live? Chicago or something? like some dumb shit. And I'm like, no.
And they don't even be realizing it, to be honest.
Nah, I'm like, y'all could hear that, bro? What the f?
Realizing it. Like that was pretty close.
All right, y'all, cleaned up the sensor a little bit. You can see the gunk. And I just used this MAF airflow sensor cleaner. I'm sure
it's safe enough. Yeah,
if it's safe enough for that, it's safe enough for this shit.
Stop the bullshit, bro.
Alright, y'all. New O2 sensor ran. And then a quick fix on that zip ties right there on the hangers. Yeah, hopefully that will snap, because those are plastic and metal zip ties. So, yeah. That's my quick fix with Fresh. Thank you. Y'all, we're going on a Publix run. Look. Water spill all over. I can't believe this shit, bro. Why did she do me like that? So now we are heading to Publix. We're about to be here. No check engine light so far. We have other Christmas tree lights on, but no check engine light back on. It was turning on instantly, but now it's not. So yeah, super cool, super nice. I guess that worked it out. Acting more normal with the idle. So that's chill.
Tomorrow.
Happy birthday to this girl. Shit.
Thank you, boo.
Yeah.
Ready for
Pre-game. Today we're just gonna go out to eat. And maybe, like, since we're not gonna eat later, we could go just do some bowling or some, you know, pool or something for an activity extra. The main activity is gonna be next Saturday, next weekend. I'm glad I didn't do it this weekend because we were sick. So thank fuck, and still kind of fighting it a little bit, but we're doing much better. Say good morning. Say good morning, honey. About to go clean the car up, y'all, because it needs a wash.
A few moments later.
So we got some things cleaning up. This Harbor Freight vacuum goes to town, man. Puts in some nice work. Got this new hose from Walmart because my old one broke. So I've been prolonging washing the cars. This one needs a wash bad. This is a Junkyard one. Got the interior cleaned up.
I never take a day off, work around the clock, my engineer getting paid off. Rock like Ace up, like the weed and take off.